Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Nation salutes doctors on Doctors' Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds the role of doctors as frontline warriors during COVID-19. Nagaland declared as disturbed area for another 6 months. Nagaland's COVID-19 tally crosses 500 mark with detection of 42 positive cases today. And Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh says Northeast states has performed much better in comparison to other regions in the fight against COVID-19. National Doctors' Day is being celebrated today. The day is celebrated on July 1 every year to thank the doctors and physicians for their relentless service to humanity. The theme of this year's Doctors' Day is Lessen the Mortality of COVID-19. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India salutes our doctors, exceptional caregivers who are at the forefront of a spirited fight against COVID-19. In a tweet on the occasion of Doctors' Day, Modi said, "In this time of crisis, doctors and nurses are the form of God." He said, "Mother gives birth to us and doctor gives us rebirth many times." Modi said doctors save the lives of people and we can never repay their debt. He said it is the duty of everyone to respect and honor them every moment who serve the nation. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu today paid tributes to legendary physician and former Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. B.C. Roy, on Doctors' Day. In a tweet, Naidu said Dr. B.C. Roy made invaluable contribution to the development of medical field in India. The Vice President extended greetings and good wishes to doctors across the nation for their selfless service to humanity. Nagaland Chief Minister Nipirio has expressed gratitude to all the doctors on the occasion of National Doctors' Day. Rio, in a tweet, thanked the doctors for their relentless service, hard work, sacrifices and commitment throughout the year, especially during these unprecedented times of fighting COVID-19, and wishes them all the best of health. In a tweet, Health Minister S. Pangyapom also paid respect to all the doctors for their services and sacrifices in providing timely health care. Pangyo lauded their commendable work, particularly during unprecedented hours of combating COVID-19 pandemic. The centre has declared the entire Nagaland as disturbed area for a further period of 6 months till December end. In a notification issued yesterday, the Home Ministry said the central government is of the opinion that the area comprising the whole of Nagaland is in such a disturbed and dangerous condition that the use of armed forces in aid of civil power is necessary. The Home Ministry said, in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 3 of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958, number 28 of 1958, the central government has declared the whole of the state to be a disturbed area for a period of 6 months with effect from 30th June 2020 for the purpose of that act. Nagaland's COVID-19 tally crosses 500 mark with detection of 42 positive cases today. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyapom in a tweet this afternoon said another 21 cases of COVID-19 positive have been detected from Beren Quarantine Centre. Early in the morning, 21 positive cases of COVID-19 were detected, 10 from Beren Quarantine Centre, 8 from Peg, 2 from Kohima and 1 from Dimapur. Meanwhile, 14 more COVID-19 positive patients have recovered, 10 from Assam Rifles Hospital Sukhoi Dimapur and 4 from District Hospital Dimapur, taking the total recovered cases to 182. The state has now 501 total cases, out of which 319 are active. All the positive persons are receiving medical care at the designated COVID-19 hospitals. Nagaland Governor has summoned the 6th session of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly to meet on 30th July. The Assembly session will begin at 9:30 a.m. in the Assembly Hall, Kohima. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh has said the Northeast has performed much better in comparison to other regions in the fight against COVID-19. He said the northeastern states have properly followed the lockdown norms. Participating as a special guest on the 100th episode of Brady Road program of AIR Guwahati, Dr. Singh said that the northeast region is full of potentialities. Participating in the program, Union Home Secretary A.K. Palla appealed to the people to remain cautious to prevent the spread of COVID-19 and also urged to wear face masks wherever necessary. Palla said that the Brady Road program has successfully busted fake news. Assam Chief Secretary Kumar Sanjay Krishna said that the ongoing lockdown in Guwahati has been given for the safety of the people. Assam Governor, Media Advisor to Assam Chief Minister and Principal Director General of AIR News also took part in the program today. Meanwhile, All India radio station Guwahati is celebrating its 73rd Foundation Day today. AIR Guwahati is a full-fledged capital station with 3 channels of broadcast. The regional news unit of the station is also working to provide all up-to-date information to the listeners. Nagaland government, along with NSF and ENSF officials, had a consultative meeting today to discuss issue pertaining to Nagaland Staff Selection Board (NSSP). The members deliberated on the modalities of NSSP as presented by the state government, and it was agreed upon that the modalities at hand will be subjected to necessary rectification, if any. The apex student body said NSSP has been a long-cherished dream of the students' community and the youths of the state, which will bring equal job opportunity and meritocracy in the process of selection. The Federation further appealed the state government to approve NSSP in letter and spirit within the stipulated period of 1 month as previously conveyed. Minister for Agriculture and Cooperation G. Kaito Aye inaugurated the much-needed new Naga cemetery today at the Zani village area, about 4 kilometers away from Dimapur town. Citizens of Dimapur were facing difficulty for burial as the space at the old Naga cemetery, located at Lakeview Colony, was exhausted. The new Naga cemetery, with an area measuring 18 bighas, was donated by Chief Minister Niperio in 2005. However, due to financial constraints, the new cemetery could not be opened for public on time. The Naga Council stated that burial in the new cemetery will be allowed soon with proper planning and layout. 1 block has been earmarked in case of COVID-19 related deaths. Kaito urged upon the council to strengthen its position and voice out for the welfare of the people so as to build a state together. The minister also thanked the Naga Council for taking the initiative for development of the new Naga cemetery. The Van Mahotsav Week begins today. It is an annual week-long tree planting festival in the country. Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Prakash Javadekar, has called upon people to resolve to plant trees around them and also take care of them for a better future. 5 cricket coaches from Nagaland had passed the Level 1 Cricket Coach course exam held at Nagaland Cricket Stadium, Kohima, from 9 to 13th March. Joint Secretary Nagaland Cricket Association, A. Rahman, in a press statement stated that a Bangalore-based National Cricket Academy, under the aegis of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, conducted the exam. Earlier, 2 cricket manual scorers passed the BCCI scorers course, while 3 candidates also passed the BCCI video analyst course. The association congratulated the successful candidates and hoped that they will play a vital role in developing the game of cricket among the upcoming young Naga cricketers in Nagaland. And now 20 News, here are the main points again. Nation salutes doctors on Doctors' Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds the role of doctors as frontline warriors during COVID-19. Nagaland declared as disturbed area for another 6 months. Nagaland's COVID-19 tally crosses 500 mark with detection of 42 positive cases today. And Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh says Northeast states has performed much better in comparison to other regions in the fight against COVID-19. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.